Welcome back.
What's up?
Roblox
Winners 2 here, and we shall be making
best roller coasters. So,
not the best roller coasters. Well, pretty much the best roller coasters.
but you guys, we're gonna see who makes better roller coasters. You guys type in the comments down below who you think's better.
So we just delete all of the stuff on my thing.
He's had it since he was 1.
Yeah, 1 year ago.
It's gone. Okay, so let's start over here, guys. Actually, we can pick where we start. We have how much minutes?
I don't know.
No. So let's just start.
2, 1. No. So we just decided which halves we are going to do.
We tricked you guys. You thought we were actually counting down. Okay, guys, so well, I hope we can meet you guys. Just comment down below, then we could join your game. We could get pictures, whatever you guys want. But are you ready, Zach?
No,
to lose? Yeah, he's not ready to lose. He doesn't want to feel the pain that I've always felt.
Yeah, whatever.
I've always felt this pain.
That's true. Why are you being mean?
My roller coaster is so good.
Tell them which side you are going to pick.
I picked. Wait.
Oh, this is really long.
I picked
now
the
you
left.
guys know how long this is.
Well, yeah, we deleted everything. There was like at least 400 some rides here. Over probably
400 some rides.
Probably 100 or something. I don't know. So guys, I picked the left side.
There's about 50.
Okay. I picked the left side. Zach picked this side. Zach, we need to shake hands first. Okay. Wait. Get on your side, soldier. Okay. We start on 3, 2, 1. Go.
Okay. So what should we do first? You be working on your side. Don't talk to the camera.
Zach, I thought we were supposed to be doing roller coasters.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm first going to do some of the water rides.
Shush, Sheila, eat a pumpkin feeder.
What are you talking about?
I called you that.
But what the heck? We didn't agree to do any of the. We didn't agree to just do roller coasters.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
I had enough we had.
I said make the better park.
Oh. YouTube, did he say that? Okay, my mistake. I'm sorry, guys. Guys, should I get you a pork chop? No, it would be
Don't talk to the microphone.
Oh my gosh, that. Boom, my pork is better already. Like a sweet mama have a fun. Gotta. Ba 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 ba. Mine is so cool.
Yeah.
Guess what, Zach? My roller coaster is so cool. And my park is too. It's so cool that it fed my mom. She was chicken. Even though that doesn't really make sense.
Makes no sense.
Well, you make no sense.
Thank you.
That's not a compliment. Boys, am I right? I am a boy.
You are a boy.
Are you sure?
No.
No way. People call me a boy. People call me
whatever. Okay, shut up. Now.
People call me a boy. People call me a girl. I don't care what you guys call me because We appreciate it. You know why we do?
No. Okay, we will pause this video. Be right back with you. Okay. Okay, we're back. Yep, obviously.
Okay, guys. We need to talk about something. Let's think about Zach's family. But I had enough of
They
it.
can't hear you, I hope.
Well, you guys think that.
Alright,
You
just
guys
be
think that
quiet.
Zach's gonna win. But I had enough of it. I'm going to prove myself. I am better
No, you're not better.
than anyone
So be quiet.
else. Okay, I'm gonna test out my first ride in my roller coaster. Zach's maybe losing, guys. I feel bad for him. He has to put up with the pain. He knows he's gonna lose.
Yeah, of winning. Pain over winning.
Woo, that's awesome. That's awesome. Whoa, this isn't even fast. This ride is like the worst.
I don't really like this.
Why?
This one.
Oh, is that a fan? Just a minute.
I don't look.
Hey man, will you like give me a selfie? Sure. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for the screenshot. Can I like stay here and watch? Yeah, sure, man. Okay. Don't even think that I'm here, even though I am here. Whoops, my bad. I accidentally puked. Forgive me, man. Forgive me.
Oh.
Hey, Zach, I hope you know that you don't have to put like this stuff down. But what's the stuff down? Boom. What's that back in middle school? Where's the senior year? No one you got like an offense.
Copyright, bro.
What?
Copyright.
What's copyright?
You're an idiot.
Thank you. Guys, am I just an idiot?
Yes.
This guy is sad though. Because of your face. By the way, Jinx.
That's
Okay, YouTube. Clearly, you can tell that I have the more roller coasters, and that roller coasters mean the better. So you guys can just admit that I'm gonna win now. It's fine if you don't. It's totally fine.
Sam's gonna reach his limit of money pretty soon.
What?
Yep.
Seriously?
Yep.
How?
Yep.
What?
Yeah, that roller coaster is expensive. You've already reached 100,000.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
You've got 50,000 left. I guess I can give you 100,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
100,000 left.
Guys, subscribe.
You've said that already. Just shut up. No.
Hmm?
You need to check your face.
But I don't have a face.
Well, then find one.
And then I have to shut it?
Mm-hmm.
That makes no sense. But okay. Yes, ma'am. I'll do it for you.
Alright, now let's